Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you what to do when your TikTok app started to crash or starts to get hang. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, so first open up our TikTok app. Let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button over here on the bottom right corner. And after that, you can see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there. Let's go to settings and privacy, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the free up space button over here. Tap there, and you can see your cache and your downloads are over here. So these type of cache and download might cause a load in TikTok, so it causes TikTok to get hanged up and get laggy. So you can clear the cache here. Let's do that, and let's clear it. And 150 MB of junk has been cleared. So let's clear our downloads. By doing this, we will, or our TikTok app will get a little bit faster than before. So if the problem continues, you might want to upgrade your device, I think. And that's it, guys. So clearing out cache and refreshing TikTok is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.